learn from life.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
The life along super ke important ke ni pai hello athema e pai to ma phan ko ano ni bi hepe ni to ma phan no ma sitami to ma phan ko ano ni to ma phan ni nang kilat nang kang hoi to ma phan mahang pathet lot pen itu ma phan ko ano ni nang ki pathe nang ki pati la pen ni to ma phan ki Karbi kunol sitami itu ma phan kitab la pen puhi pen chenglo itu ma phan Piri la pen sabun jang thu sitami itu man nang
Congratulations to the winner of very heartiest congratulations to the winner of Queen of Karbi Anglong Season 1, Ria Teronville. And I request my friends to distribute the bouquet to all the contestants.